Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Iroquois County and east central Illinois, southeastern Newton County in northwestern Indiana, Warner County in northwestern Indiana, east central Lake County in northwestern Indiana, northern Jasper County in northwestern Indiana, until 3:45 p.m. At 2:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Sheldon, or near Kentland, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Wheatfield, Chesterton, Valparaiso, Town of Providence, Beverly Shores, Brook, Southward, Rock, Fair Oaks, Dunn's Bridge, Keeper, Four Seasons, Counts, Moon Road, Portage, South Haven, Mount Air, Burns Harbor, Ogden Regions.
Oh shit.
Remain alert for a possible quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure.
Oh, no.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
That's not good.
A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m.
yeah.
for east central Illinois and northwestern Indiana. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect